Shandong Youhao Energy Technology Company Limited was founded in 2018 and is located in Youhao City, Shandong Province. The location is excellent and the transportation is convenient. We have very rich industry experience and is a trusted supplier. The company has advanced production equipment and skilled front-line employees. Our company is mainly engaged in the production and sales of CNC order, CNC nesting machine for panel furniture, edge banding machine, CNC aluminum cutting machine, oscillating knife cutting machine. Our company knows that the development of the company depends on the innovation and quality of the products. Therefore, our products have strict quality control from the procurement of raw materials to the sale of finished products. The company has established a quality management system that meets the requirements of the International Quality Management System. The company continuously releases the original innovations according to the market and customer needs, and always maintains the novelty and innovation of the products. Solving problems for customers is our eternal pursuit. Our company's products are sold worldwide. The company has won the unanimous recognition of consumers with satisfactory product quality and perfect after-sales service. We have a professional R&D team. We can accept OEM and ODM. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We are looking forward to receiving your inquiry soon.